Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating and presenting beautiful, exciting, and professional presentations. It has great and advanced applications such as creating of logos, flyers, posters, designs, shapes, and many more. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Microsoft PowerPoint. And whenever you visit a YouTube homepage or a YouTube channel page, you have these images which are on top of your videos. And these images tells you or signifies you that this is the content that is being produced out of this image. And this image also attracts or grab the attention of your viewers so that they can have a click on your videos. And this thumbnail or these images can be created or designed by different softwares such as Canvas, Photoshop, but it is possibly done in Microsoft PowerPoint. I have been using Microsoft PowerPoint for so many years for creating most of my YouTube thumbnail, and also I normally use Photoshop as well. But in this particular video, I am going to guide you how to use PowerPoint, which is a free software or a software that is very close to you, which are used in our daily activities for normally designing presentations. So let's see how we can use Microsoft PowerPoint to create a very simple YouTube thumbnail. Now, on your Windows interface or your computer screen, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, whenever you open PowerPoint, you are going to have this front stage view displayed on your computer screen, and this is the slide area in which we are going to work. This is the area we are going to have our different components or elements displayed to create our YouTube thumbnail. And we are going to change this current layout. This is a layout of title slide. Therefore, we are going to convert this layout into a blank slide. So we can right click on this, choose layout, and we have the option to choose blank. You can also move to the home tab and we have this layout option, and you can also choose blank from this option as well. You can also right click on the slide area, choose layout, and choose blank. Now that this is converted into a blank slide area, let's see the dimension that is needed to set up our YouTube thumbnail. Now, this is the YouTube thumbnail dimensions. We should have a width of 1280 pixels and also a height of 720 pixels. And this is the appropriate and also the accurate dimension or the size that is needed to create your YouTube thumbnail. When you scroll down, it says best YouTube thumbnail size is these dimensions, and the larger size has to do with the quality of the image. So this is the appropriate dimensions that you should have for your YouTube thumbnail so that you can have a quality image displayed on top of your video. It also prompts you that if you use low resolution images, they will look pixelated, and also when used as a preview image in the embedded player. So always you have to make sure that your YouTube thumbnail size is set to this appropriate dimensions given to us by YouTube platform. We are going to use these dimensions to set up our slide area in Microsoft PowerPoint so that we can perfectly create our YouTube thumbnail. Now, in the interface of Microsoft PowerPoint, when you move to the menu bar and click on the design tab, we have this area known as customize area, and we have slide size. When you click on the drop down arrow, we have custom slide. This is the unit given to Microsoft PowerPoint, and that is inches, and we have this width as 13.33 and also 7.5 inches in height. We have to convert the pixels into inches so that we can see that this is the accurate dimensions we can use for creating our YouTube thumbnail in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's move to a platform that can allow us to convert a particular unit to another unit. So this is a unit converters.net, and when you scroll down, we have this option that says find the unit to convert, and I want to change pesos to inches. So I'm going to type peso, and then in this field I'm going to type inches, and we have this option. I'm going to click on it. Now this provides me with these two fields, and I have to key in the dimensions in this field so that it will be converted into the inches dimensions. So I'm going to type the 1280 pesos here, and this gives me 13.33 as compared to the dimensions that we have in Microsoft PowerPoint. And also let's convert the 720, and this also gives me 7.5 inches. So we have the accurate dimensions provided to us in Microsoft PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint, when you move to the custom slide, you can see that we have this accurate dimensions in this slide area. Therefore, we are set to go. This is a 16:9 ratio dimension, and that is what is set in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you have this dimension given to this particular slide, then you have your YouTube thumbnail size. So this is our slide area. When you have this setup, the only important thing that you need is the type of thumbnail that you want to create depending on the video that you have created. And in this area, whatever element that is being positioned will be appeared on your YouTube thumbnail when saved as an image. So this is our slide area. So let's start to create a simple thumbnail, and that can be uploaded on the YouTube platform. Now I want to create a thumbnail about command prompts, that is basic introduction to command prompt. Therefore, I will need a logo of command prompt and also an image of command prompt window, and then add some little text to it. Without wasting much time, we are going to create a very simple thumbnail. So what we have to do now is to move to the insert tab. Then in the images group, we are going to select pictures. Then we choose this device. I am going to locate where my picture is saved. So I have this image inserted, and I'm going to place this. Use the transform tabs to increase the size of this image, and I'm going to align this to the middle. So this image will be selected. Then I'll move to the picture format. We have this align option, and I'm going to choose middle so that I'll have this image snag to the middle of this slide area. Now the next thing is I want to have the window of command prompts. So I'm going to move to my desktop, and I'm going to open command prompt on my desktop background. And I am going to take a picture of this window by using the Windows key and the print screen button. Now back to PowerPoint, I am going to choose the insert tab, pictures. Then I am going to move to the pictures folder here, and I have a screenshot saved in this folder, and this is the current screenshot I shot. So I'm going to select this and choose insert. Now this is the screenshot I took on my Windows interface, and I'm going to select this image and crop it to the dimension of this command prompt window. So select this image, move to the picture format, and we have this crop option. Click on it. You're going to have this crop buttons around this image, and you can use that to adjust to have this image cropped perfectly. So take your time. Now after cropping the image to your preference, you can click outside this slide, and this image will be perfectly cropped to your dimension. Now this is the cropped image of this command prompt, and let me position these images well on this slide So I'm going to select this, hold down the Control key and select this image, and use the left arrow key to move this image to the left side a little bit. And I'm going to increase this size and also make sure that these images are aligned to the middle. So I'm going to select this, hold down the Control key and select this image, move to the picture format, and then in the alignment group I'm going to choose middle. Now this is perfectly and accurately snapped to the middle of this slide area. Now the background of this thumbnail is white and I'm going to change it. So I'm going to right click on this area and we have format background, and I'm going to choose solid fill. We have this color palette, and when you click on it, this displays the colors available in PowerPoint, and I'm going to choose this option, and this gives a contrast background to this thumbnail. Now in this command prompt window I want to add some text, so I'll move back to the home tab, and in the drawing toolbar we have this text box. You can also find this option under the insert tab, and when you move to the text group you also have this option, so you can choose any of these tabs on the menu bar to insert your text into this thumbnail. So I'm going to select this option, and we have this icon given to you. Click and drag so that you can have a text box drawn on this interface. Now let's type the text that we want. Now this text is not well appeared because the font color given to it is black. Therefore I'm going to select all the text, or you can click on this transform tabs of this text box, then you move to the home tab, and in the font group we have this font color. We are going to choose white, then we change the font type as well. So I'm going to choose the Acrobat font type, then increase the size, you can position the text box on this image, you can stretch it up. Now I have this text box and I want to have a duplicate of this, so you select this text box, hold down the Control key and the letter D to make a duplicate of this text. Now I want to have this well transformed and stretched up, so I want to convert this into a picture. So you select this, right click and choose cut, right click once again and choose this option which is paste as picture, and this is not editable, rather you can change the transformation or the size of this image. Select this image, move to the picture format and choose the crop option, and I'm going to crop this. I'm going to increase the size, so these are some of the capabilities of Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use it for so many designs, and now that we have this setup, we're going to change the text of this text box. So I'm going to type a simple text here, now I have also changed the text in the second text box and also apply some formatting and editing to it. Now that this is done, this logo has a white background given to it, and it is possible to also remove the background of an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. So select this image, move to the picture format, then in the adjust group we have color. Click on it and we have the option for set transparency color. So you choose this option. We have this icon, and make sure you click on the background of this image, and this removes the white background of this image. And as you can see, it is perfectly shown in this slide area. Now that we have this well designed, this is a very simple thumbnail design in Microsoft PowerPoint. How can we have this as an image so that we can upload it to the YouTube platform? To do this, move to File, then choose Save As. Choose a location where you want to have this image saved, and I'm going to choose the desktop. And we have the file name here. I'm going to change the file name. Now, after giving a file name to this, move down and we have the Save As type, and this is currently set to PowerPoint presentation. Click on the drop down arrow and choose PNG. You can also choose JPEG, but I'm going for PNG, which is portable network graphics. Then you choose. This asks you which of the slides you want to use, whether all slides or just this one. I am going for this one. And now this is perfectly saved as a thumbnail which we can upload to our YouTube platform. So when I move back to the desktop, I have this image here, and when you right click and choose open, this is the thumbnail that was created in Microsoft PowerPoint. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video and also add a thumbnail to that particular video. So please stick around and wait patiently for notification about the next video.